Hi, I'm Guy Smith, your president, and we're here in the Alberta Legislature where today was the first day of the fall session.
Absolutely, we need an emergency debate. It's unbelievable the conditions that we're seeing in our hospitals. It's the kind of thing you'd expect to see in stories about the third world or the developing world.
Sorry, Minister, can we talk to you about
ad hoc, short-term thinking, responding to pressures, not thinking about the long-term approach to solving these problems. Legislature definition of urgency is a lot different than what the public's impression of the word urgency is.
It's always been the top issue for Albertans, and I think because this government over the last 20 years has cut the number of hospital beds and then threatened to privatize a whole bunch. I mean, Albertans are well aware of the healthcare issues.
Understand that number one, you can't just open up a whole bunch of beds overnight. It takes time to work that through. You have to recruit staff, you have to serve notice, you have to interview, you have to train, and so on.
When the extended care opened, they realized they couldn't attract the staff to come and provide the services, so all the admissions into extended care had to be stopped, which meant that the movement from Valley Park Manor was also stopped for a while. So there's a bit of a reprieve on that, but again it shows extremely bad planning on the part of AHS. Of note today, we had many AUPE members in the gallery, including myself and Vice President Bates Renouf, where we saw the opposition parties deliver petitions from 6,600 Albertans in the Red Deer area who are protesting against the closure of Valley Park Manor and Red Deer Nursing Home. In addition to the petitions being presented, there was actually a lot of debate and questions for the government on these closures, and quite honestly there was no straight answers coming out of the government. They still can't explain why on earth they'd be closing much needed long-term care beds in Red Deer. So this struggle still continues, and at least we know we have the support of the opposition parties, and I bet a few MLAs as well are feeling the same things we are, because they know that those services are needed. So the struggle will continue. We do have a rally on November 3rd in Red Deer, and we'll see what happens.